If you're somebody who's lacking sex in your relationship, then this video is going to be massively helpful for you. My name is Neha Bhatia and welcome to my channel. Well, this video we are doing under the series of relationship series, and this video is divided into 3 parts, okay? So if you're somebody who is lacking sex in your relationship and you feel that your needs are not getting satisfied, you feel that there's somewhere deep down you want to be more fulfilled, but there's this sexual need not getting satisfied. So this video is going to be really, really helpful for you. My name is Neha Bhatia, and do subscribe to my channel because we're doing this relationship series and many other series in the next coming days. And I'm sure it's going to be very helpful for you. If you haven't checked out our other videos, do check out as well, okay? Now, when we talk about the sexual need, it is a need really of the sex. You have to think about it. Are you somebody whose relationship has been affected just because you're not able to fulfill your needs, or there is only the need of sex being fulfilled, but there is no love at all? Think about it. And if you're somebody who has certain questions on this particular topic, write down in the chat box, because in the next 2 parts of it, I'll be talking more in detail. Okay, there are so many people in this world whose relationship is sexless, okay, and it is a big disaster for them. Either the partners are going to other places to satisfy their needs, or they are just not able to express their need, express themselves to their partners, and there is a lot of emotional blockages because of which they're not able to feel that intimacy again. So if you're somebody who wants to have that intimacy again, then these couple of videos are going to be very helpful for you, and you can check out the other videos as well. Now, why does it really happen that we lose out that sexual connection with the person? See, something that we know of, okay, it is not just that body part, it is the need that is being satisfied. So sometimes it is a need of love, sometimes it is a need of significance, sometimes it's a need of being or given importance. But if on the background, okay, on the other side, your relationship in general is not going well, you're criticizing each other, you're not happy with each other, it will automatically affect your bedroom as well, you know. And if that gets affected, then naturally the other areas again will get affected. Okay, you could be somebody who is probably demanding a lot, or it could be also that your partner is have some demands and you're not able to fulfill it because you feel that I don't feel the connection. Is it so? Because a lot of times it's not about the age, it is not about the spark as well. Sometimes it's about the connection. Sometimes your partner could be more sexual, or you could be more sexual than your partner. Then what will you do? Right? Like, for example, there are times when a partner has more emotional needs and the other person doesn't have much emotional needs. So when there is an imbalance, that's the time when you feel that disintegration, when you feel that the needs are not being satisfied. So Osho explains very beautifully, your relationship initially will start with body only. You will have that appearance, attraction on the body level. Then it will turn into intellect. Oh, our intellect matches, our thought matches. Then it will come to emotions, that our emotional preferences are very same, right? Then will be likes and dislikes. And then ultimately he talks about soul. A time will come when all this will go beyond. I remember this gentleman who I met a few years ago, and his relationship with his wife was a disaster, like he told me. And he says that a few years ago, maybe I think it was just around 10 years ago, not even few, 10 years ago, they started to have relationship in their physical level because the lady, his partner, she used to have a little bit of smell around the vagina. And when he expressed that to his wife, she got really, really upset. Maybe it happened during that moment only. And she got really upset, she got disappointed, she got affected. That is the reason that he told me. And both of them, they started to, and it happened once or twice, and he said it a couple of times. And this was very disrespectful for the woman. He used to feel that kind of a smell which he could not. I know it could be sounding very but trust me, these are the kind of people who've sometimes sat with me, and it's challenging sometimes for people to can't express themselves in the right way, at the right time. It could be anything else as well. Like there was another lady, she was not a client, but she was a her husband was impotent. So they had a lot of challenge. A time came that he could not, you know, and then it affected their emotional relationship. But the beauty of this lady was she did not give up. They were still together. So where is this sexual need coming from, my dear friends? You need to think about it. Are you somebody who is not being satisfied or who is not able to satisfy the other person? Are you lacking that sex in your relationship? Which is also important, right? It is important. I mean, I'm not saying it is the most important. They say that when there is a little bit of sex, either you can say, feel that it is an expression of love. But how will you define it? How will you create that thin line? Is it lust or is it like there are times when people have sat with me and they've said, and a lot of people have commented, that's why I'm making this video. There's a video that is going, that has 11,000 views on our channel. So you can, I'm going to put the link of that in the description box. Go check it out. And people are asking that how to define that line between love and lust. Because a time comes, it becomes a little bit lust. And how do you know that it is lust? People sit with me and they say, Neha, sometimes I just can't take it. I'm such a spiritual person. I start to just imagine that person's body part too much if we are engaged a lot, or if my partner is too demanding. My focus goes away. So how to deal with such situations? How to create that thin line? That's something I'll be talking to you about in these next 2-3 parts of the lack of sex in relationship. And I want you to take it very positively instead of putting your stupid comments in the comment box. I remember in the other video people have mentioned, आपको देखकर हमारी भी नीयत खराब हो गई. The moment we see you, we are becoming very lusty. Bullshit. Literally, go do that. Be very honest about it, You need to grow up from that. You need to come out of that body level. A woman is not just an object of sex, much beyond she is. And even a man for that matter. We two beings are so beautiful. There are these two energies that's flowing in the both of them. And once that balances, you start to feel more love with each other. Then it goes beyond body, beyond intellect, beyond choices, beyond qualities, beyond everything. It is just soul to soul. So I'm going to be talking to you about this in the next couple of videos. This is just the part 1. Do reflect upon it. I'm going to come back in 3 days and give you more insights on it. And you will be amazed to see that how your relationship can once again get rekindled just by applying some of the methods and techniques that I'll be sharing with you. Reflect upon it. And just don't think that there is a lack of sex. There is lack of something else as well. Maybe you would like to think about that. And with that, thank you so much. I'm going to meet you in the next video. Do subscribe to our channel. Do like this video. If you want to put in your stupid comments, you are more than welcome. I don't mind that. But I'm here to help you grow, not to once again, put your head down there, right? That particular part in your body is down there because energy flows from up to down. Down to up. Okay? And this is where your brain is to choose to make the right decisions. So do you want your energy to be here, flow through here, or flow through there? When your brain goes there, then this is just empty. This is not giving you what you truly want. Make sense? I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.